by the way, this is what I've got set up in the Triton at the moment, right? So we've got a lead coming back from the main battery, single battery in the front, to the DC to DC charger, which is on the front of the King's box. And I've got one Anderson plug snapped here. So what I did, I modified this with a L-shaped bracket so I could get access to the Anderson plugs a little bit easier. ARB fridge, trooper. I've had it since 2001. Oh, 210, sorry, 210. And it's been great. Now, got drawers, shitload of stuff in the drawers, a lot of weight, right, and fishing gear, tie downs. I put all my drills here, and another 3 DeWalt's. So I've got a driver, impact driver for the caravan legs, and I've got a impact screw wrench and a drill. And you know, so this unfortunately cannot tow the new van, so we've had to get a BT50, and it's super great. 2018 model. Oh sorry, there's an inverter here as well. And then the battery is at the back of the fridge. This does slide out, but I don't use it as a slide because I can lift here and I've got access either side as well. So, and then as you know with these, if you've got crap on the back, as soon as you move the fridge slide, bang, all the shit goes down the bottom. Then you got to try and get it back up. Yeah. Yeah, so this is good to go, set up for touring, but it's got to be sold. And this fridge is what I'm trying to move into a non-canopy BT50.